Hello and welcome to this new demo of Google Classroom. Today we will learn how to download, log in and join your classes in Google Classroom. Let's begin. Firstly, open your Google Play Store. Here you can see I have opened Google Play Store. Now in the search bar you have to type Google Classroom. Here you can see the icon of Google Classroom. Click on it. Now you can see there is an install button over here. Click on the install and wait for it to complete installing. Once it completes installing, you will see that there will be the open button highlighted. There you go. You can see this green button, the open button. Click on it. Now Google Classroom is opening. Over here you can see that is shown get started. Over here. So in this get started you have to click this button. Okay. Click the button, it will ask you for an account. Choose the account for the Google Classroom. Click on add account. Then click on OK. It will check info. Over here you have to put the pin of your mobile, your phone lock. Click next. Now you will see that the sign in process has come, where you have to type your email address. Now this email address is the email address given by your school. Now this is a sample email. Where you type your name and surname at the rate and your school name or organization name. Be mindful that all the letters are correctly entered. If the email address is wrongly entered, then it will not show. You will get an error. Now after you have entered the email address, click on next button. And you will get a screen where you have to enter your password. Okay, click the next button, which is over here. it will load and will come to this screen where a welcome screen. That means you have successfully entered the right email address. Click on the I agree button, which is over here at the down right. Now we are almost at the end of the process. Load. Now choose your role. Now you are a student, so you have to choose I am a student. Wait for it, and your Google Classroom is open. Here you can see all the classes over here. Okay, 1 social studies, drawing, PT, Hindi, Marathi, computers, English, maths, science. Okay, these are all your classes. Now the next procedure is for you to join the class. You have to join each and every class, children. Okay, click on the first join of social studies. And now you are enrolled in the class. Okay, you have completed joining of social studies. Click the back button, then go to the next class, which is a drawing class. Click on the join button again. Now you are in the drawing class, means you have completed joining, enrolling into the drawing class. Click the back button. Now you observe this, that the previous 2 classes the join button is not there. That means you are already in the class, you are enrolled for the class. Now come to the next one, click on the join button. Now this is complete. Okay, the PT class is complete. Now come back, go to the next Hindi class, click on the join button. Now you are in the Hindi class. Okay, come back. Now you can see a Marathi class. Click on join button of Marathi class. Click back. Now you can see the computer class, and you can see the join button. Click again on that. Remember, do not click on the decline button. If you decline, then you will not be able to enroll in the class. So always only click the join button. Click back. Next, click the English class. Now you are in the English class. Okay, click back. Now the next one is, what do you see here? Math class, and the join button. Click on join button. Now you are enrolled in the maths class. And finally, the last class is science class. So click on the join button. And now you are in the last and final class, which is science class. To confirm that you have completed all the classes, scroll up and down, children. Some of you I have seen are not scrolling down, so please scroll down and see down also. On your main screen you will see 3 classes, but when you scroll there are more classes down also. So you have to look down, scroll down, and then keep joining each and every class. Join back. Okay, follow this procedure. Now this completes the joining process of entering into Google Classroom. I hope you have understood, and to also see that you have entered the right email ID, look at this. At over the top over here you can see this, the letter. This is your initial. Suppose your name is Ayush, for example, then your letter will start with A. Suppose your name is Raj, your letter will start with R. Now this person's name was Mark, so his name will start with M. Okay, so click on it and you will see the name. Your email ID will be here, over here. That means you have entered the class correctly with the right email ID. And please note, the email ID should be correct. Your name dot surname @St. Francis Xavier's.in, plural, Xavier's. Okay, and all are small letters. Please keep this in mind, that it has to be all small letters and it has to be Xavier's. Continuous. No Gmail. Do not create your own Gmail account. This is the email given by the school and you have to follow that same email. If you try to enter Gmail, it will not show up and your classroom will not be seen. You have to enter this email only which is given to you. Now suppose you are having another account, means suppose your brother or sister and you are having one mobile. What do? You click on this add account button. Can you see here? Over here. Once you click on add an account, you have to follow the same procedure. When you click on add account, it will come to checking info. Put in your PIN, click next. And then you enter the email address of the second email address. Okay, children? And then your second account will be added. So when you want to switch between accounts, you just have to click the top here, right corner, and then click on that account. Your second account will be here, like this, for example, over here. You click on that account, it will switch to the second account. Now you see the name is the same. That's why the first initial is same of both the people. So the letter will be the same. Now you click again, you can switch again to the next account. Click on it, click on your other account. So this is called switching. You can switch between accounts if you have the same one device. If you have two devices, it's much easier and much better, but this is the option I am telling you. Okay, I hope you have understood it very clearly. This is a complete joining process. You do not require any class code. You do not require any class invite link. Everything has been made ready for you students, and all the invitations for every class has been given to you. So you just have to follow this procedure of downloading the Google Classroom, okay, installing it, clicking on the start button, entering your email ID in add account, your password, complete the process, and your classes will be opened in Google Classroom. Okay, thank you.